So as you all probably know, 2012 is a leap year. That means that because it takes 365 days and about a quarter of a day for the Earth to revolve once around the Sun, that we have to add a calendar day about every 4 years to keep things accurate-ish. But you probably did not know that 2012 is also a leap second year. This means that June 30th, 2012 at 7:59 and 59 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there will be 1 second added to a very important clock in Washington, D.C.
The U.S. Naval Observatory Master Atomic Clock Facility.
And also this is going to happen at many other locations across the planet. In this scenario, we aren't a special snowflake. This has happened about 24 times since 1972, the most recent of which was December 31st, 2008. So until recently, I had no idea why it was happening and why we needed to do this. But now I know, so please let me explain. To measure time here on Earth, we use what's called mean solar time. That is the amount of time that it takes the Earth to make one rotation in relation to the Sun. If you think back, or forward if you're like younger than 10, to math class, you might remember that mean can be a word for the average of a set of data. So looking at the term mean solar time, the word mean would tell us that it's actually an average, which would mean that the speed is not constant, which is true. So we've defined mean solar time to be 24 hours, which is 1440 minutes, which is 86,400 seconds, but it actually takes a little bit longer now. The Earth is slowing down. It's very slight, like 1 or 2 milliseconds every 100 years, so don't go into apocalypse mode or anything, but that's actually causing enough to be a need for adjustment. We've been talking a lot about the unit of time known as a second, and we all know about how long a second is, but how long actually is a second?
60 milliseconds?
The length to say 1/1000 or 1 watermelon?
I don't know. Like a second?
Length of a second. It's 1/60th of a minute.
Pretty short.
Well, we, the people of Earth, keep track of time using atomic clocks. And atomic clocks define how long a second is. But how do atomic clocks work?
I would say it either works with nuclear power or it's the time something takes to radioactive decay.
You have a digital atomic clock in your house.
Yeah. It says it's an atomic clock.
I don't believe you.
Atomic clocks?
Atomic
I
clocks?
have no idea.
I don't know. What?
Do you
I don't know.
Give me a guess.
Don't worry, I got it.
They blow up.
Yeah.
It's the subject of this week's BTV time.
Actually, an atomic clock works by counting the oscillations of an atom. In 1967, a second was defined as 9,192,631,770 oscillations of an atom. This form of timekeeping is called International Atomic Time, and it is a metric crap ton more accurate than mean solar time. So remember that on June 30th you'll have an extra second in your day. Have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Vlog every day of summer.